in this video, we're going to be reviewing the UPPAbaby Mattress Bassinet cover. I have it right here, you guys. It is made out of cotton, and I did want to point out that this is for models 2018 and up. So this is going to fit yours if you guys have the 2018 model and up. And guess what? We have one right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. That way you guys can take a look at it. Okay, so we do have the UPPAbaby little manual right here. And this is the actual cover, you guys. It feels nice and soft. Like I mentioned, it is made out of cotton, and this is gonna fit perfectly. It does have a zipper, high quality zipper, might I add. So all you have to do is zip it open just like so, and we're just gonna insert the mattress over here. Okay, so let me take this one out so you guys can see if this one gets dirty, or if you wanna just swap them out. And if you're using this bassinet a lot, you know, all we have to do is slide off like that, no big deal. And then this one just slides right in. All right, you guys, so just like that, we have a new mattress cover on there. Okay, zips right up. So as you guys can see, it does have the UPPAbaby little stamp right here. We could grab the old one for a second, and this one had the blue stamp, and this one is also made out of cotton. Here goes the blue stamp right here, and then here is the new one that we just purchased right here on Amazon. So I definitely recommend getting this mattress cover, especially if you guys have a dirty mattress cover, or if you guys want to swap them out, you know, but I definitely recommend going with UPPAbaby mattress cover.